Here are the top 5 sound effects you should be using as a video creator. Number 1, ambience. This helps with setting the scene and creates a more immersive experience for the viewer. Number 2, whooshes. These help add a dynamic feel to your video like this. Number 3, impacts. These help with focusing the viewer's attention to what is going on screen. Number 4, transition sounds. These can be anything you'd like, matching the transition like so to avoid overusing whooshes. And finally, number 5, Foley. Adding sound effects to help what is going on screen is a way to up your sound effects game to the next level. And if you're looking to get your hands on some high quality sound effects used in this video, you should check out the Ultimate Sound Effect Bundle from Ocular Sounds.